We'll start with error probability of ASK. This is a very important topic for your exams for 15 and 17 EC 61 subject. Now, for ASK, we know for number of carrier cycles are transmitted to send 1 ASK. Like I'll tell you, when you have a carrier like this, if this is 101, so if this is your carrier, your transmission will only be done for 1, 0 no transmission. So this is your ASK. Now so we can say there will be no signal for 0. So if binary 1 is there, we can write x1 of t is equal to root 2 ps cosine of 2 pi f naught of t, and when binary 0, x2 of t will be equal to 0, no signal. Till now we know this. Now what is PS? PS is a normalized power of the signal 1 ohm load. Power PS can be defined as A square over 2. Hence A amplitude is equal to root 2 PS. Let this be equation number 1. Now A is replaced. Now we can say A is replaced by 2 PS. We know before we have derived probability of error is half of error function ERFC. This is x naught of 1 of t minus x naught of 2 t divided by 2 root 2 sigma. This has been derived before. Now here one more thing, what this x naught, I'll write the value of what is x naught 1 of t minus x naught of 2 t divided by sigma is represented as maximum value of square is given as integration minus infinity to infinity x f mod square over s of ni f df. This is from the Skov inequality, and this is a noise, signal noise, input noise. You can also say white Gaussian noise. Okay. Now this equation can be applied to the match filter. So we will consider white Gaussian noise, input noise, is equal to S ni of f equal to n naught over 2. Putting this value of Sni in the above equation, we will get x naught of 1 of t minus x naught 2 of t over sigma whole square maximum is value equal to integration minus infinity to infinity x of f n naught over 2 df. Now Parseval theorem states what it states. It states that transfer function, that is Fourier transform x of f mod of whole square, this is minus infinity to infinity of df is equal to minus infinity to infinity x square of t of dt. Now this is the next equation, third one. So this will become, we know present x of t is from 0 to t. So limits in the above equation can be substituted. So this will be x naught 1 of t minus x naught 2 of t divided by sigma whole square maximum equal to 2 over n naught. 0 limits will be 0 to t x square of t of dt. Let this be equation number 4. Now we know that x of t is equal to x1 of t minus x2 of t. Now for ASK x2 of t is equal to 0. So x of t will be equal to x1 of t. Now this can be written as x naught 1 of t minus x naught 2 of t over sigma whole square. Maximum value can be written as 2 over n naught 0 to t x1 of whole square t of dt. Putting the value in the above equation, we will get, again we'll write this x naught of 2t whole square over sigma. Maximum value can be written as 2 over n naught integration 0 to t. We can substitute the value. This will be root till here 2ps cosine of 2 pi f naught of t whole square dt. This can be further written as 4ps. We will take it outside. 4ps over n naught integration 0 to t root 2. This will be written as cosine of square 2 pi f naught of t of dt. Now the value of cosine square, we all know cosine square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Applying this formula, we will get 4ps over n naught 0 to t 1 plus cosine 4 pi of f naught of t over 2 dt. This can be further written as 4 ps over n naught half 0 to t dt plus 0 to t cosine of 4 pi f naught t over t and dt. This can be written as 2ps over n naught. This will be t 0 to t plus sine of 4 pi f naught of t divided by 4 pi f naught. The limits are 0 to t. So this will be 2ps over n naught. This will be t plus sine of 4 pi f naught of t over 4 pi of f naught. Now, if we go for 1 bit cycle, like I'll show you, this is your 1 cycle. This is your 1 bit t. We are having 1 f naught here. We are having 1 f naught here. So t is equal to 1 divided by f naught plus 1 by f naught. So t will be equal to 2 over f naught. F naught of t will be equal to 2. Now this is a complete carrier of 2 cycles for 1 bit duration. Now, f naught of t equal to k. Suppose it completes k number of cycles. So, from the equation it will become x naught 1 of t minus x naught of 2 of t divided by sigma whole square maximum. This will be 2ps over t over n naught. So this can be written as x naught t minus x naught 1 of t, x naught 2 of t over sigma. We can transfer it as root 2 ps of t over n naught. Now, substituting this value in the second equation what we got previously, so this will be equal to PE equal to probability of error is equal to half of error function 1 by 2 root 2 ps of t over n naught root this fully equal to half of ERFC ps of t for n naught. So this is a probability of error of ASK.